What's your go-to spirit? The next time you want to add some Parisian sophistication to your life, try this fresh and herbal brandy cocktail. So we're gonna go 45 mils or 1.5 ounces of your brandy, then 15 mils of the green nectar, Chartreuse, 20 mils of lemon juice, about 10 mils of sugar syrup, and then a couple of good dashes of Angostura. Then we're just gonna give that a shake. Double strain that into a coupe or martini glass. And there we have our Champs Elysee cocktail. In here with the Chartreuse, which is obviously like such a strong flavor, it's like the brandy's kind of risen to meet that, and so it's really quite like a juicy and kind of intense flavor. And the Angostura is definitely doing a really good job there of just kind of pinning that all together with a nice little sort of through line of woody spice. Again, not honestly one that I'd thought about for a while or potentially even ever had before I was writing this script, but it's definitely one that's going on the rotation now. The Champs Elysee. So now you know.